to foam roll your quadricep, place the foam roller right at the top of your thigh. Oh, that feels good, I can feel it already. I like to bring my foot up, but it's all a level of comfortability. It depends on your comfort level. But you want to just roll forward. I'm using my upper body to move forward and pushing back, keeping my core engaged. Moving forward, good. Any areas that need a little extra tension, I'm holding there, applying pressure, and then coming on back. If you do not have the upper body strength to hold yourself up, that's okay. You can come down and use your body weight, find any areas that need additional tension release, and move back and forth. Remember, we don't want to hit any bone. We want to avoid as much bone as possible. Now, to get into our adductor, that and our hip flexor, it could be somewhat difficult when it comes to foam rolling. To begin, we're going to come down to our side and we're going to place the foam roller right underneath our right knee. And I am going to shift my body to face the mat, and I'm going to find any areas that may need additional tension release, but I'm going to roll through the adductor, and trying to hit that hip flexor is a little difficult. But we're going to roll back and forth and find any areas that may need some additional tension release. And remember, the adductors are the least dense area of the body. And coming back. Now, to get up into, oh, this feels good. I can feel this area right here just needing to be released. Feeling that. Great. To get up into the hip flexor, we're going to come into a modified pigeon. I'm going to place the foam roller perpendicular to my leg, and I am going to place it high up, and I can feel it immediately, and I can feel the tension in the hip flexor being released. And if you can just stay here for a few seconds and then roll it out, and I can feel it right there at the insertion loosening up. And that's how we foam roll our quads and adductors.